Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make beef stuffed potato pancakes. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First we're gonna start with our ingredients. I have here around 7 potatoes cut in cubes, 400 grams of ground beef, 200 grams of white flour, 1 chopped onion, 1 egg, 25 grams of butter, some vegetable oil, and finally half spoon of meat spices, salt, and you can add some black pepper. These are our ingredients, and now let's see how to prepare our pancakes. First, put the potato in a pot, cover it with water, then put it over high heat to boil it. Meanwhile, let's prepare the filling. In a frying pan over medium heat, add some vegetable oil, wait until it's hot, then add the onion. Cook the onion for around 5 minutes. Then add the meat, add over it the spices, the meat spices and the black pepper, and leave it cooking with the onion. When the meat is done, add over it some salt, stir it a little bit, then take it down. To know if the potato is ready, take a knife, stick it in one of the potatoes. If it's go all the way through easily, then the potato is ready. Take it out of the pot, put it on a bowl, then mash it. Finish mashed, then add the butter, mix it with the potato until it's melted, then add the egg, some flour, add some salt over it, and if you like, add some black pepper, then mix all together. After that, leave it until it's cold. Now let's prepare our pancakes. Form the potato mixture in small balls, then over a tray or a wooden tray, add some flour, then form the potato pancakes like you see in the video. Add some meat over it, close it up, then with your hand press it a little bit to perform the potato pancakes. Do that for all the potato balls that you have. Then, in a frying pan over medium heat, add some vegetable oil and fry all the pancakes. from both sides, like you see in the video. My friends, this is all for today. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment area. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Some of other recipes in our channel you might find interesting.